Okay. Well, first thing I'm going to show you is how to stop the machine, because there are a couple of ways to do it, but one is the most easiest way. It's let's say we're going to stop the loader. If the loader is stopping, the machine will also wait for the loader, so everything will stop completely. To do that, there's a knob, but it's quite hidden behind some screens, so you have to press custom, this one, and then arrow to the right, status. Over here you see a status screen of the loader. In this case we are on the upper screen, but that don't mind. Over here you got like two yellow boxes. One is used gantry loader. This one is on, and the other one is a symbol for one stop, and the one stop is off. If you put one stop on, it will stop at some point. So to get this one on, press this arrow again. Sorry. Status. Not this arrow, but next. Press next again. One more time, and you will find one stop. Press this one. Right now the other one, the yellow box is also filled. And you can just wait. It will take sometimes a couple of minutes, depends on where it is in the cyclist. But at some point the light over there will show yellow and it will stop. Okay.
In case it's going on YouTube someday.
Yeah, okay.
Just do it like this.
Gonna make some money out of it.
Yeah, we can.
Well, we are lucky because it's just stopped.
Okay.
So we can actually continue with the other part of it, removing the chips. First of all, of course, open up the door, and then we want to refrigerate the machine, because for this machine we are not able to rotate the turrets when they are above the spindles, so otherwise it will collide. Best thing is just start with the upper, the mode knob, put it all the way to 0 return, and the mode key, put it to manual. And then we have like the same lines as I told you on that machine, but the knobs are a little bit on a different different direction. The upper, just follow this line, hold them 3 down together, and the turret will move until it's going to the middle position. So right now we are switching to lower. And lower you're gonna have to follow this line, so those 3 now, right? So if they are on reference position, you will be totally safe to rotate the turrets. And then it's up to you on which one you start. Right now we are still on the lower. We can leave it on this position. You can also rotate it to this position. This one, it means every time you push, it will rotate a half a step. But if you keep it in, well, it just rotates like this, so it's quite fast actually. If you put it on a rapid position and you hold it in, well, the speed is a little bit higher, but it's up to you. So if you want to switch to upper, it's quite easy. Just switch to upper and then do the same. Okay, let's say we have removed the chips and you want to go back to automatic mode. Of course, shut the door. This one has to be back in multi-mode. Remember, this is like only for one turret, and this is multi. I've written it down, but it's a little bit fade at the moment. This one has to go to auto mode. And then of course we have to remove the one stop, because otherwise it will do some movement and then stop immediately. So again we are going to that screen to press custom. At this point we are lucky, we are already on the screen, otherwise you still have to go like next, let's say status, next, and you will find one stop. Press it, the yellow box is not filled anymore, so this is the good condition to start. You can of course press program to see the programs, but it's not necessary actually. Well, we are just able to start. cycle start, and it will run.
Alright.
Alright?
And